Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I was out flying the Mavic Mini the other day and I ran into an issue that I am not sure if it was pilot error or if there's an issue with the flight controller in the Mavic Mini. Okay, so I'm coming up on myself now and about to fly by from left to right. I've done this dozens of times with other drones and stuff. Pretty much coming in full speed. I believe I was in P mode, not sport mode. But I passed to the right. And then I quickly spin around to turn around, and it continues to spin, and then all of a sudden drops. I'm pretty sure at that point I was still full up stick on the left side, and I was dropping. Not sure why. I did notice that the control pad said IMU error. I'm not sure if that IMU error happened after the crash or it happened before the crash because the controls weren't responding as I expected them to. The left stick was fully up, and I should have been climbing instead of dropping. So after cursing to myself, I begin my walk of shame to go pick up the drone, and I wonder how I'm going to find this tiny drone in 3.5, 4 foot tall field grass. As I'm walking over, I can't see it anywhere, and then I remember the Fly app has a Find My Drone button. So as I get a little closer, I go ahead and hit the button, and she starts beeping. It's also an interesting note that each time the drone beeps, the motors twitch. So I am going to guess here that DJI is using the ESCs to create the beeping noises. I had no problem finding the drone with the locator turned on. It's a pretty good sounding buzzer, and the light flashes on the bottom, which during the daytime it's probably not going to help too much, but towards the evening hours and maybe at dark it'll help locate the drone a little easier. I didn't see any damage. I wound up flying it again later that day without any problems, and I don't think there's any issue with it other than I don't know why it sunk when I was telling it to go up. Don't know if it's an IMU error. Maybe it can't recover from a fast spin and keep altitude, but we'll see. We'll do some more testing later on, and maybe this is nothing. But leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Was this plain pilot error, or do you think maybe that there is an IMU issue with the Mavic Mini? And while you're at it, why don't you hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be notified of my future videos with the Mavic Mini and my other drone and FPV videos.